you want to control the market. This is the only strategy you will ever need. I've been trading this strategy for the last 2 years. I will show you step by step how to trade this strategy. Let's run it.
No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Today we'll go over every single trade I took last week. I trade Monday to Thursday only around 7 p.m. 7 p.m. EST. If you don't know what EST is, it's basically Eastern time. So if you're in New York, it's 7 p.m. in New York. We trade basically the Asia session. And yeah, let's get into the trades. And the only strategy I've been using for the last years, and it's a very profitable strategy, very high win rate. I will show you guys. You guys probably heard of it before. It's PO3, but there's a little hint of my style in it, so you will look at how I trade it. Basically, if you don't know what PO3 is, it's you wait for the price to go sideways. When the price is going sideways, it's basically making liquidity above and below. And then I usually draw a square here. I call it accumulation. This is the accumulation zone. I wait for the price either to go down and take liquidity or to go up and take liquidity. Once it does do that, I wait for the price to close back inside the blue zone. So this will be our manipulation zone. So this is manipulation, this is manipulation, and once it closes back in the 10-minute, I take the trade. It depends on what the price is doing, but usually I target about 221, so something like that, something like that. It's pretty simple to trade. This is a distribution, if you don't know what that is. So this is the model I'm going to show you guys today. It's the most simple model. For me, it works really well. So here we are, Monday the 17th of February. I'll just run this. Like I showed you an example before, we draw a rectangle. This is our accumulation zone. A rectangle is usually between 6 and 7-ish. And this red zone is just to show like the price was going sideways the whole day. This is a rectangle. And yeah, then we wait for a manipulation. The manipulation happens at 7:30. You can see right here. And then we distribute. So the manipulation happens at 7:30 and the candle closes back into the accumulation zone. So I would have taken the trade exactly right here. So we go, let's say 15 and then 30-ish for our TP. And obviously it goes into TP. I took this trade in real time. I do show my trades on this channel. And yeah, this is Monday the 17th. Let's go to Tuesday. Alright, so this is Tuesday the 18th of February. We have another day that's pretty sideways. You can see right here. This is the step one, is to look if the day's been sideways. So it has been sideways. We can draw the accumulation zone between around here. Accumulation. Why I'm drawing it here is this 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. ish is where I draw my rectangle. This is where I backtested before. And the red zone is just to see what the price was doing. And it was going sideways the whole day. This rectangle, pretty simple. We wait for a manipulation. No manipulation yet. Oh, there's a manipulation. Okay, so now you can see the price manipulated. However, it didn't close back inside our zone. It means we have to wait. It closes back inside our zone. So it doesn't close back yet. Doesn't close back yet. Okay, it closes back inside. Unfortunately, the price is already all the way up here, so we won't be able to look for a 221. I'll only look for about 121 in this case, something like that, and yeah, we do get it. So if the price closes really deep, we won't be able to look for a 2-to-1. Of course, we wouldn't have gotten it. But as you can see, the price distributed very quickly above. And this was Tuesday the 18th. As another trade I did take on live. If you want to see my trades, of course, you can subscribe to my channel and I will keep posting all my trades. But yeah, let's go to Wednesday. So now we are at Wednesday. As you can see, this would be our accumulation zone. Very simple to spot. But the only problem is the price in the red zone was trending and not going sideways. If this is the case, we do not take a trade. This means the price has lesser chance to go back and take liquidity. It's very trendy. It means if it goes up, it's going to keep going up. If it goes down, it's going to keep going down. It will probably not hit the other side. So if I see the price going like this all day, I usually don't even get on the charts, but this time, let's see, I can show you guys. See it, you could say I manipulated here, but the price has been trending. So this means this is not a PO3 setup. This is more like a break and retest setups, right? So it broke here and it comes back here and it goes higher. It could have went and took this liquidity, but if the price is trending, it's not very high probability to take this trade. This is the hard part of this strategy, you could say, is knowing when to trade it and knowing when not to trade it. And this only comes from experience. If you keep trading strategy, you will eventually understand all the little facets of it. This is one of them. Let's go to Thursday. Alright, so now we are Thursday the 20th, the last day of our trades this week. So as you can see here, the price has been going sideways. Not like the last week. You see it's very, very trendy. This time it's very sideways during the day. So you can see, this helps you out a lot, the SMA. Very sideways market, so this is good. This is what we need. And then we need to draw an accumulation zone between this 4 and 7 to 20. So our accumulation zone would be something like, yeah, something like this, because you can see there's liquidity here, a lot of liquidity right here. So this has to be taken, and then before it starts going up, so we wait. Nothing. Oh, there we go. This was the manipulation. This is another trade I took live. Manipulation. You see it took the liquidity right here, closed down the imbalance, and now it's going to take the liquidity above. Sorry about that. It took liquidity at 720, 730, closed back inside. So something like this. You could, this time we already took liquidity above, so we can go for a 2-to-1. It didn't close too far from our starting zone, not too deep inside the accumulation. This is our distribution basically, and then oh, there you go. So another win. So this week was very, very, very profitable. Not all week are like this. We had 3 wins and 1 no trade. I wish I could show you guys the loss. Honestly, I didn't take a loss this week, so I got pretty lucky. Not all weeks are like this, but the strategy, it is very high win rate. I'm going to keep trading it and post some videos about it. If you want, you can check them out. But this is it. This is pretty much the strategy we trade, PO3, at least my variant of it. And yeah, stay tuned.